right, you're watching DefenseReview.com. I'm here with Dom Raso. He's with Line of Fire, and he's got a new shooter glove that looks pretty cool, so tell us about it.
All right, guys, what's up? So Line of Fire, Dynamis Alliance, we got together. We built a fast rope glove in the past, and we got together to build a shooter glove. There's a lot of gloves on the market. How do you have a glove that a soldier's going to want to wear and be lightweight, effective, functional, and durable? And that's what we put into this. This is our first prototype right here. This is what you're looking at. It's got a micro suede. It's extremely durable. Obviously, technology is huge. We got to have that integrated with what we're doing. It's the lightest glove that we could make with keeping it durable. We know with a lot of light gloves out there, you run into a durability issue, and that's what we try to avoid with keeping it minimalistic. And at the end of the day, you have to have a glove that you can have dexterity with, you can shoot with, function, and manipulate things at night, and that's the key with these things. So if you're an operator, law enforcement, military, or just a guy looking to have a great glove for the range, this is gonna be it. Great first prototype. Check us out, Line of Fire, Dynamis Alliance, and find out more as we start to come out with more products.
All right, thank you. And very cool. And by the way, I just had these on, and it almost felt like a second skin.
Yeah,
like
exactly. That's
really, sort of thin material.
Yep.
And but durable.
Absolutely.
And what do you have running through it? You have like some lines running through it that I know.
So there's just added grip. There's just an added grip here where we're gonna have anti-slip. But the micro suede itself already does that, but different materials have different textures. Right. So whether it's a firearm, a metal surface, rubber surface, we want to be able to capture both of those through lining these out with effective grip and then have the micro suede. Obviously with the technology, we've integrated that so you can manipulate your iPhone, iPad, whatever technology you're going to be able to use. Nobody wants to take their gloves and do that off anymore. But
got little knuckle pads,
a little bit of a little abrasion resistance. A lot of times when you add that, the glove gets too bulky. Yeah. So we wanted to avoid that with keeping it minimalistic. We may change the shape of these, but at the end of the day, this is accomplishing what we want. One of the primary things is the fit of the glove. It's hard to find a good fitting glove, especially in the pinky, because guys have different variable pinkies, and this one cuts down all the way, so you have full articulation through all fingers. You guys can see how well that fits me.
Yep.
So the adaptability there is key.
And then you have a little extra stuff on the index finger and the thumb.
Exactly. If you're grabbing onto stuff, it gives a little bit more durability. We see a lot of wear and tear with gloves, and we're not adding much at all to be able to have that extra grab. Whether you're grabbing rope, something that's abrasive, we're going to give you a little bit more protection in this area.
Very cool. All right, Line of Fire, Dom Raso, thank you very much.
Right on, guys.
You are watching DefenseReview.com.